In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with Afterpay on Booking.com. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find stays that let you pay later and what to check so there are no surprises at checkout. First, open your browser and go to Booking.com. Make sure you're on the official site, then set your language and currency to match the country where you'll be booking. This matters because payment options, including Afterpay, can be region-specific. If Afterpay operates in your country, setting the right currency gives you the best chance of seeing it as an option later. From here, you can enter your destination, travel dates, and the number of guests to start your search. Next, focus your search on places that support pay later style options. On the results page, look for labels like pay at the property, no prepayment needed, or book now, pay later. While there isn't always a dedicated Afterpay filter, these indicators often align with the kinds of rates where installment or deferred payment options can appear. Use the filters for free cancellation and no prepayment to surface the most flexible choices. These filters don't guarantee Afterpay, but they help narrow the field to properties that are more likely to offer it. Open a listing you like and scroll to the payment or policies sections. You're looking for clear mentions of how you can pay, wording such as pay at property, buy now, pay later, pay in installments, or a specific Afterpay badge. Also check the rate you're selecting. Different room rates within the same property can have different payment rules. If one rate requires prepayment by card, another might allow you to pay later, and that can affect whether an installment option appears during checkout. Before you proceed, review the cancellation policy, any deposit or pre-authorization notes, taxes and fees, and the currency. Afterpay availability can depend on the currency and total amount. If the total or currency changes at checkout, the option may disappear. If you don't see Afterpay on the payment screen, try a different rate at the same property, switch to a pay at property option, or pick another listing that clearly indicates flexible payment. It's also helpful to keep your country and currency consistent with Afterpay's supported regions. Finally, confirm that the payment method shown at checkout matches what you expect. Your confirmation page should reflect the pay later setup you